Friday, rain. Expect possible thunderstorms. High of 78 degrees with a low of 54 degrees. Saturday, cloudy. High of 63 degrees with a low of 42. Important message from the National Weather Service. An excessive heat warning has been issued for Shiawassee County until this evening at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Heat index values up to 140 degrees. Timing. Heat indices between 120 to 140 will continue into the evening. Impacts. Heat exhaustion, heat stroke and other heat-related illnesses will be possible, especially if you spend a significant amount of time outdoors or are involved in any strenuous activity outdoors. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible and drink plenty of water to reduce risk during outdoor work. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Shiawassee County Department of Emergency Management and Homeland Security. Dangerously high temperatures and heat indexes have caused power outages in the cities of Owosso, Coretta and Duran. Power outages have also been reported in Vernon, Perry, Lennon and Ovid. The Memorial Healthcare Hospital in Owosso has reported that people have been admitted to the emergency room due to heat stroke. A major car pileup has taken place on Main Street in downtown Owosso. Temperatures of 118 degrees with heat indexes of up to 140 degrees will continue until this evening. You are advised to stay indoors at this time. The excessive heat warning issued by the National Weather Service remains in effect. Take any measures to keep cool. The National Weather Service in Detroit Pontiac has issued an extreme wind warning for Shiawassee County until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with major temperature drops in the area. These winds are blowing from a northwest direction. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Widespread destructive winds of 110 to 132 miles per hour will spread across Shiawassee County, producing tornado-like damage. Take cover now. Treat these imminent winds as if a tornado was approaching. Move to a safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Shiawassee County Department of Emergency Management and Homeland Security. This is not a test. Temperatures in the county are dropping at very rapid rates. Meteorologists have determined that the air temperature will reach 173 degrees below zero. Wind chills will reach 200 degrees below zero. Seek shelter now. Do not go outside for any reason until authorities deem it to be safe. Take all possible measures to stay warm. Seal cracks in doors and windows with duct duct tape. Stay in an interior room without windows. Turn your heat on to the highest temperature possible. Gather blankets and heavy clothing. Have enough food, water and medical supplies to last at least 48 hours. Get a battery-powered or hand crank radio to obtain updates in the event of power outage. Do not use phones at this time. Phone lines must be kept open for emergency and rescue operations. Repeat, temperatures in the county are dropping at very rapid rates. Meteorologists have determined that the air temperature will reach 173 degrees below zero. Wind chills will reach 200 degrees below zero. Seek shelter now. Do not go outside for any reason until authorities deem it to be safe. Take all possible measures to stay warm. Seal cracks in doors and windows with duct tape. Stay in an interior room without windows. Turn your heat on to the highest temperature possible. Gather blankets and heavy clothing. This is not a drill. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter.